Hello friends, welcome back to Feedwitty. Are you trapped in typical money saving plan or confused in spending or saving money? If yes, then watch this video till end. First, let's understand the typical money saving plan which people follow and waste their money. Typical money saving rule is 50 is to 30 is to 20. It means spend 50% of your income on your basic needs, means you cannot live without that, like groceries, rent, food, clothes, etc. And spend 30% of your income on your wants, means little bit on luxury items like dine out, party, expensive clothes and gadgets, etc. And spend 20% of your income in savings. Now, question arise, what if I don't need to spend 50% on needs? It can be less. Why spend 30% on luxury item every month when your target is to save money? Nominal portion of your income is for savings. Interest on saving can be less than inflation rate. This can decrease your purchasing power. Let's understand this by an example. Suppose your monthly take-home salary is 50,000 rupees and you save 20% as per your plan. So your monthly savings are 10,000 rupees and your bank gives you 3 to 4% interest annually. And guys, this interest rate is as per Google of year 2019, and the inflation rate was in 2019 4.54%. Let's do some calculation to see how your savings power got decreased. Interest calculation: 10,000 into 4% as a compound interest will give you 407.42 paisa. Total value would be after 1 year of your savings would be 10,000 rupees 407.42 paisa. Now we will see the current value of your total savings after inflation. Inflation calculation: 10,407 rupees 42 paisa into 4.5%, which is inflation rate as a compound rate, will give you loss of 482 rupees and 45 paisa. Then the current value of your savings would be after 1 year 9,924 rupees and 97 paisa. You can see the difference. Or if you keep your money with you instead of bank, then value would be 9,536 rupees and 43 paisa. Calculation you can see on the screen. So guys, as you can see, by following typical money saving plan is giving you nothing as per above example. So I would suggest more focus on saving and investment, which can give you high returns. Less spend on wants, that is luxury item. Do when it is necessary. Understand and manage your basic needs, but not on the basis of percentage. If you want this in figure, so it would look like basic need you should spend 30 to 40% on luxuries, 15% if required. Savings plus investment you should do 20 to 45% if possible. I hope you understand it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Feedwitty.